Toronto TSX Venture and London AIM-listed Thor Explorations is a West African-focused gold producer. Its flagship project is in Nigeria, where the Segilola mine is expected to produce between 85 and 90,000 ounces of gold this year. And there's recently been some exciting developments as well at the gold project in Senegal, the Douta project, where there's been a more than doubling of the company's contained gold at the site. Let's get some more details now on this exciting company. And we're talking now to the chief executive, Segan Lawson. Segan, look, it's a great story. Tell us some more about what's happening, because you've seen some great news recently on your exploration business. But I want to talk as well about this flagship production, because obviously that's where the income is coming from. What do you want to flag as the most important bit of news you want to talk about? Because there's lots of strands going on here.
Yes, I think, well, first of all, thanks for having me on. I think first and foremost, we have to set the background as to where we've come from and why we're very optimistic about the near-term future. You know, we transitioned from an explorer, developer into producer. Last year was our first calendar year as a producer. We produced just over 98,000 ounces of gold. So it was an excellent success